In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Trezor Safe 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to wipe the memory of your Trezor Safe 3 using Trezor Suite. So first, connect your Trezor Safe 3 and enter your PIN using the buttons on the device. Once it is properly connected to your computer, open Trezor Suite and navigate to Device Settings by clicking on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of Suite and then selecting the Device tab. In the Device Settings tab, scroll to the bottom and you will be able to find the Danger area. And as you can see here, the first option is going to be Factory Reset. You will then need to confirm that you understand that wiping your device deletes all data on it. If you want to recover your funds, you must have a safe offline copy of your recovery seed. If you understand that this action deletes all the data on the device, and you understand that you must have a backup of your recovery seed in order to maintain access to your funds, tick both of those boxes and choose the factory reset option at the bottom. You will then be prompted to confirm the action on the device, hold the button on the right to confirm, and now all the data will be erased. Now, if you cannot access Trezor Suite because you lost access to your PIN, you can still wipe the Trezor Safe 3. All that you have to do is open Trezor Suite, connect your Trezor Safe 3 while holding down the left button. What this is going to do is boot it in bootloader mode. You will now see the option to perform a factory reset once you access the menu by clicking the button on the right. Once again, press both buttons to begin the process and press the button on the right to select Reset, which will erase your device and restore it to factory settings. So choose whichever option you prefer depending if you have access to the PIN or not. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Trezor Safe 3. It's a very easy process. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.